Hello, welcome to Toast Cartoons at Christmas. My name is Martin Peers. I'm a cartoonist and illustrator. Today we're going to do some Christmas character design. We're going to start with a reindeer today. Take your paper, take your pencil. We are going to start somewhere up towards the top left-hand corner, but leaving plenty of space at the top to draw the antlers in. So we're going to start with our reindeer's fringe. By doing that, very simply, we're going to draw a sort of an M shape leaning on its side like that. We're not going to cross our lines here, so a little bit before the end of this line here, we're going to draw a sort of a large rounded pear shape, something like that, but stopping a little bit lower than where we started the line there. Now, from the top of this M that we done earlier, the hair shape, we're going to draw a little lump like that. And then from there, we are going to draw our first ear on our reindeer. So this is going to be a sort of curved line round and then a little flick like that. We're going to do another line just underneath that, slightly curved, not as much. And then from around here, we're going to do another line curved coming in like this. Now we're going to do another little M in there, inside the ear. Now the other ear starts just below the point of the top of the M here. We're going to do a similar curve out like that, flick, a line like that, and then another line coming under like that. So those are the ears on our reindeer. Now, from this ear here, just before the end of this line here, I need to draw a line that's similar sort of angle as this one in the other direction, coming down like that. And then we'll have another line sort of just before the curve comes round on the nose here, like that. This is the neck of our reindeer. Now we're going to do a curve that starts just beyond this line termination here, but crosses the edge of it like that. We're going to do a collar with some Christmas bells on it for our reindeer now. Now to draw the bells, quite simply, we're going to draw a circle starting from the bottom, come round, and before that circle joins up, draw a little curve like that. It was a little bit like Pac-Man, perhaps, and then a curved line like that. Now we'll do another bell here. So again, from that point here, curve round before the circle joins up, do a little curve like that, and then another curved line inside there. One more here. We're going to draw from here, curve round, little curve inside, and then our curved line there. So those are our Christmas bells on our reindeer's collar. From this point here, just a little bit higher, we're going to bring the rest of the collar around. So you come round like this to there. There's our reindeer's collar. Right, now we're going to get into his body and legs. So imagine this line here is going beyond behind the collar here to this point here. We're going to curve round like that to a point slightly below our middle bell here, and now we're going to draw one of the legs. So we're going to come down a slight angle like this, curve round and come back out. So this is almost conical. It's slightly wider at the top than it is at the bottom, with a slightly curved base. Carry the line along there and then flick up ever so slightly at the back there. Now the top of our reindeer's body, again imagine this line from the neck comes behind the collar, comes along here like this, start to curve down. Now we're going to do our reindeer's tail, very similar to the hair at the top here. We're going to curve up, then down, then a bigger one curved up, then down, and another one curve up, down like that. Then we're going to curve round here for the reindeer's bum, and then come down again. This is going to come to the same level as the first leg we've drawn, and then back up. So we're going to keep that little overlap there with that line coming through there. Now the back leg, to give a bit of perspective, starts somewhere in the middle of these two here, come down but not quite as far as our other lines, and back up like that. And then we're going to do our first leg sort of raised up in the air. So again, about just before the line curves round here, draw a curve like that, rounded slightly at the bottom, and then coming back in like that. There we go, that's the basic shape of our reindeer sorted. We're going to put some hooves on there, some cloven hooves. This will be like a little, as opposed to the M's we were using up there, this will be like a little W shape, like that, and then another one there like that, another one there like that, and another one there like that. So those are the legs sorted on our reindeer. Spots on our reindeer's bum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do as many or as few as you like. So we've got the basic shape of our reindeer sorted now. Now we need to do his antlers. So starting from around here, we've got our little lump on the head here. We're going to do a curved line like this. Curve it round at the top a little way and then come back down, and about the halfway point stop, and then jut out with another curved line there. Curve at the top and round and back, so we're almost level with our first line. Coming round and in. Then we're going to do another antler on this side, same thing but curve the other way. Curve up like that, bring it round and down, out, curve back in, and then back to the start. So there's our reindeer's antlers. Now we need to do his eyes. So what we'll do is a couple of little oval shapes like this. Now when you do colour these in black, you need to leave a little white dot called specular reflection, and that helps give the eyes a bit of life. So what I tend to do is do a couple of little circles like that, and then you can colour the whole eye in like so, and then we'll give him some little eyebrows at the top like that. Do a couple of little lines like so. Now his nose is a sort of a squashed oval shape like that, slightly over to the left of his face there, and then we can do a little smile, do a slight curve line there with another little C shape on the end, and that is pretty much it for our reindeer design. I tend to always do on my Christmas cards a nice little bit of holly. So the way I do holly will be a circle, another circle, and another circle, so 3 circles together like that, and then from the top of the first circle curve out, back in and round, curve up to a point, round, curve in again, and then we'll have a little line through the middle like that. One more leaf starting from the bit in between these 2 berries here, so curve up to a point, curve out to a point, back round again, and in, another little line. Now I do a little bit of a shadow underneath our reindeer here, and then we'll colour him in. So I'm going to go fast mode now while I colour in. There we go, we have finished our lovely Christmassy reindeer, and of course once you've finished, to own your picture, put a little signature on there so everyone knows who drew it. There we go. Enjoy drawing your own Christmas cartoon reindeer. So if you'd like to share your pictures with me so I can see how you've done, please tag them in on Instagram or Facebook at Toast Cartoons. I'd love to see what you do, and I'll be back very soon with another how to draw cartoon Christmas characters for you to enjoy. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.